How to update your payment method on Shein account. Let's get started. Open your Shein app. You will land to the shop page. First, you have to select any of the item to make a purchase. After you select the item, select the details for the item. After you are done, click on the option Add to Cart. After you are done with selecting the items, at the top right you will find this cart icon. Click on it. Over here you're gonna find all the items that you have added to the cart. Now click on the option of checkout. You will land to the order confirmation page. Now over here you can find different section. First you're gonna find the shipping address and then shipping method. Likewise, when you scroll down, you will see the option of payment method. From this section, you can easily update your payment method. You can set it to pay with PayPal, credit or debit card, Apple Pay, or other options provided over here. You just have to click on it. Likewise, you can fill these section as well, voucher, points and gift card. After you check all these, you can click on the option of place order. And in the next page, you have to provide the details of your payment. You have to type in the card number, likewise expiry date, CVV, and that way you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily update your payment method on Shein. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.